My life is boring. Just do nothing all day.
Oh, that wasn't smart.
My dad's talking about poop. I'm just gonna lay here for a while. Do nothing. Do nothing. Oh, wait, I smell food. I smell food. What's over here? Oh. Food. Food. Give me food. I want food.
Yeah, take out his food from there.
Give me food. I want the food. I want that food up there. The food up there. Give me the food. Yeah, I do. I want to eat something. But you guys never feed me. Never. Never feed me. It's not funny. You guys never feed me. I want the food. I only get the little clumpy things that don't even taste good. I don't get what like you guys get. It tastes like poop. No, give me regular food, lady. Give me the regular food. I want the regular food, lady. Give me. I actually really want that food. My food tastes like poop. Like dog food. Tastes like poop. I don't know why they keep buying me that. I don't know why. Probably because you're idiots and they can't, like, they don't know what I want. Because I can't speak English. But I could if I want to. But that would expose the dog's secrets of talking. But I just do that because it makes them feel good about themselves. Because then they don't, like, pet me. I hate being pet. Oh, God. No, I do. I like this food. It's not that bad. Not that bad. But I would prefer regular food. I would prefer regular food. It's too crunchy, man. I want like some soft food. They give me this like little bowl thing right next to the trash can. I hate being right next to the trash can because then I smell all the other food that's been thrown away. Like there's starving people in China. They don't like donate it or nothing. They throw it away, like for rich people or something. God. I'm just gonna eat my food in silence. No. I want my food. Am I sick again? I don't know. This is what my dad do.
Big sound controller, please.
Okay.
Just so you know, if you make smaller videos, they're easier.
I like pie. It's only been 3 minutes.
Yeah, and people don't get as bored either.
Okay, I'm very bored. Oh my God, what was that? That hurt my ears. Is that a computer? It is. I don't know how to work a computer. Even though my brother's taking a picture of me on the computer. I'm like typing, but I just put my hands on it.
Where's my wobble?
It's like, yeah. It's over here. See, can I steal some food? What was that? What was that? What was that? I'm gonna follow her around, see if I can get food. Maybe she'll give me food. Like, I already finished my regular food. So. My regular food is boring. Oh my God, what was that? That scared me.
Do you want to try a little cabbage?
Oh yeah, that'd be nice. Thank you.
Yeah, you like the little cooked cabbage?
Yes, Mom. Okay. I'm so tired, man. But I want food. I want food.
Like that? Just a little tiny bit?
Yeah.
And both papas, right? You love these papas.
The heck? Man, like, they don't give me food. I wait here to do the little puppy eyes. They don't give me food.
Would you like me to cut the sausage or just give it to you whole? Just whole?
Oh, yeah.
Or cut it? Slice it?
Oh my god, I'm bored. I don't get taking my walks from my brother and poop. And I want food. 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 You know, I spend most of my time in the kitchen watching my mom and eat cut food. It's like, I really want that. But they don't give it to me until after we eat. I don't get it. I want that food. I'm so nervous. Give me the food. 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 Give me the food.
Okay.
I want the
All right.
food.
Here's your food. Yeah.
Food.
Say
And that's usually what happens in my life.